Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Motorola Moto G Pure. And to do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. We can try to find the game. As you can see, there's no results for the game that we're looking for, and we need to go back. Click on the profile picture, head on to the settings, enter family, parental controls, and now either disable parental controls entirely, or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, increase PG to at least 16, and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and look for the game again, it should be right here on the top and you can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.